Good morning, students. I am going to continue chapter 4 only. Last topic, some covalent molecules and their structures. Okay, so I told you about the covalent bond, that the chemical bond that is formed between two combining atoms by mutual sharing of electrons. So that type of bond is called covalent bond. And I told you that so many types are there. Okay, single covalent bond and double covalent bond and triple covalent bond. So some examples and their structure I am going to explain. Okay, first example is your hydrogen molecule. Okay, first example is your hydrogen molecule. So I think all of you know that a hydrogen atom has one electron in its only shell and it needs one more electron to complete its octet. Okay, sorry, it needs one more electron to complete its duplet, not octet, it's duplet. So for this, hydrogen atom share its electron with another hydrogen atom. So what you have to draw? This is one hydrogen atom. Okay, one electron in its outermost shell. It is the second hydrogen atom. One electron in its outermost shell. So both hydrogen atom has to complete their duplet. Okay, both hydrogen atom has to complete their duplet. So what they will do? They will share these both electrons. They will share. Okay, both the electrons they will share. So now both will get two electrons in their outermost shell and they will get the stable electronic configuration. So after sharing the electrons, their structure will be like this. After sharing the electrons, their structure will be like this. Now these two electrons. Okay, so this one is the before combination. Before combination and this one is the after combination. Okay, now you can see both the hydrogen atoms are having two electrons. Okay, after the mutual sharing of electrons and they are making a single covalent bond. Okay, they are making a single covalent bond because both the atoms are contributing one electron. So that is why it is a single covalent bond. Now the second example is the chlorine molecule. Okay, second example is chlorine molecule. Chlorine molecule. Now chlorine electronic configuration is 287 and its nearest inert gas is argon and argon's electronic configuration is 288. Now this chlorine has one less electron to complete its octet. Okay, it is having one less electron to complete its octet. So it needs one more electron. So what this chlorine atom will do? It will share one more electron to another chlorine atom. Okay, so the structure will be in its outermost shell. Only you have to draw the outermost shell only, not the inner one also. Okay, only you have to draw the outermost shell. So in its outermost shell 7 electron will be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, now one more chlorine atom. It is also having 7 electron in its outermost shell. 4 5 6 and 7. So what? They will share one electron. Okay, they will share one electron. Okay, this one is chlorine atom. This one is chlorine atom. Okay, this is before combination and after combination. After combination, these two electrons will be shared by both the atoms. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So both the chlorine atoms are having 8 electrons in their outermost shell, and they are also contributing only one electron, so that is why they are also forming single covalent bond. So this is the second example. Now you see one more example. Third example is oxygen. Okay, now the third example is your oxygen molecule. Third one is oxygen molecule. Now oxygen electronic configuration is 2,6. Okay, and its nearest noble gas is neon, and its electronic configuration is 2,8. Now oxygen is having 2 less electron to complete its octet to its nearest noble gas. So oxygen needs 2 more electrons. So what, to attain the stable electronic configuration of the nearest inert gas neon, oxygen needs 2 electrons. So when 2 oxygen atoms come closer, each contributing 2 electrons, and they have 2 shared pair of electrons. Okay, they have shared 2 pairs of electrons. So the structure will be, this is oxygen. In its outermost shell, 6 electrons are there. Okay, one more oxygen atom. In its outermost shell also 6 electrons are there. Okay, so when they combine with each other, they are sharing 2 electrons. Okay, they are sharing 2 electrons. This is oxygen atom. It is also oxygen atom. Okay, and after combination their structure will be like this. You have to make properly. So all the 4 shared electrons will be visible properly. Oxygen, oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the structure of after combination of these 2 oxygen atoms. Okay, now this one is oxygen molecule. Oxygen molecule. Now in this you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this oxygen atom 8 electrons. In this also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So both the oxygen atom is completing its stable electronic configuration. Now since they are contributing 2 electrons, so that is why they are making double covalent bond. Okay, now the next example is your water molecule. Likewise you have to draw in your exam. Okay, now next example is your water molecule. Water molecule. Okay, in this you can see 2 different atoms are there. First one is oxygen, its electronic configuration is 1. Second one is oxygen, its electronic configuration is 2 and 6. Okay, 2 and 6. Now hydrogen's nearest inert gas is helium, its electronic configuration is 2, and oxygen's nearest inert gas is neon, and its electronic configuration is 2, 8. It means that oxygen need 1 electron and hydrogen needs 1 electron and oxygen needs 2 more electrons to complete its octet, and hydrogen has to complete its duplet. Okay, so what they will do? They will share now, in the case of a water molecule, each of 2 hydrogen atoms share an electron pair with the oxygen atom such that hydrogen acquires a duplet configuration and oxygen acquires an octet electronic configuration. So the structure will be, first you draw hydrogen. Okay, in its outermost. Now you can see two different atoms are there, so you have to take the signs of electrons are also different. Okay, for example, in the case of hydrogen, the electron shape you may cross sign, and in the case of this oxygen, for electron you may circle. Okay, so this one is hydrogen. Now in the center you have to draw the atom of oxygen. Okay, in its outermost shell 6 electrons should be there. Again you have to draw one atom of hydrogen. In its outermost shell 1 electron will be there. Now you have to combine with oxygen atom, and this one also, this oxygen is also combining with this hydrogen atom. So this is the structure of before combination. Okay, this one is hydrogen atom, this one is oxygen atom, this one is hydrogen atom. Now after combination, what will be the structure? Okay, now one hydrogen electron, one oxygen. Okay, now you can see hydrogen atom is completing its duplet. Both the hydrogen atoms are completing their duplet, and this oxygen atom is completing its octet. You can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the structure of before combination, and this one is after combination. Okay, now here also you can see they are making a single covalent bond. Okay, two single covalent bond they are making. So these are the example of some covalent molecules and their structure. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.